Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use language apps for job opportunities. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your language apps for job opportunities, then you can simply go and tap open any of the language app you want to learn from. So here, let's take an example of Duolingo. So using Duolingo for your job opportunity involves leveraging it as a foundational tool to gain conversational skills, preparing for proficiency tests, and supplementing it with real world practice to achieve the necessary proficiency for employment. While Duolingo is generally considered as a starting point, it can be effective to build the language skills needed to boost your resume. So, if you're going to leverage the language tools to help you with your conversational skills, then you can use these apps for job opportunities. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.